Are you looking for the best cheap SSDs? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap SSDs. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Samsung SSD 990 EVO. The SSD 990 EVO is an excellent value mainstream M.2 internal SSD, with whizzy performance and the class-leading warranty, software, and security that you'd expect from Samsung. Internal or external? Internal. Internal form factor. M.2 Type 2280. Interface, computer side. M.2 Type 2280. Capacity, tested. 2 TB. NAND type. TLC. Controller maker. Samsung. Bus type. PCI Express 4.0. NVMe support. Rated maximum sequential read. 5000 megabytes per second. Rated maximum sequential write. 4200 megabytes per second. Terabytes written, TBW, rating. 1200 TBW. Warranty length. 5 years. Number 4. Addlink AddGame A93. The Addlink AddGame A93 is a high-performance, inexpensive internal M.2 SSD that's great for gamers, or anyone else, upgrading or building a new PC on a budget. Internal or external? Internal. Internal form factor. M.2 Type 2280. Interface, computer side. M.2 Type 2280. Capacity, tested. 4 TB. NAND type. TLC. Controller maker. Maxio technology. Bus type. PCI Express 4.0. NVMe support. Rated maximum sequential read. 7400 megabytes per second. Rated maximum sequential write. 6500 megabytes per second. Terabytes written, TBW, rating. 3000 TBW. Warranty length. 5 years. Number 3. Samsung SSD 870 EVO. The Samsung SSD 870 EVO offers the peak of serial ATA SSD performance, and moves so fast in 4K random read and write operations you'd almost be forgiven for confusing it with PCI Express 3.0. Internal or external? Internal. Internal form factor. 2.5 inch. Interface, computer side. SATA. Capacity, tested. 4 TB. NAND type. TLC. Controller maker. Samsung. Bus type. Serial ATA. NVMe support. Rated maximum sequential read. 560 megabytes per second. Rated maximum sequential write. 530 megabytes per second. Terabytes written, TBW, rating. 2400 TBW. Warranty length. 5 years. Number 2. Crucial P3. The Crucial P3 provides good performance in a PCI Express 3.0 NVMe SSD. Its QLC NAND flash memory keeps the P3's price down while allowing capacities up to 4 TB. It's a spot-on pick for upgrading older PCs that don't support PCIe 4.0. Internal or external? Internal. Internal form factor. M.2 Type 2280. Interface, computer side. M.2 Type 2280. Capacity, tested. 2 TB. NAND type. QLC. Controller maker. Phison. Bus type. PCI Express 3.0x4. NVMe support. Rated maximum sequential read. 3500 megabytes per second. Rated maximum sequential write. 3000 megabytes per second. Terabytes written, TBW, rating. 440 TBW. Warranty length. 5 years. Number 1. Samsung SSD 980. Samsung's SSD 980 M.2 drive provides a stellar mid-tier option for new or returning fans of the company's SSDs, squeaking the most performance possible out of PCI Express 3.0 in 2021. Internal or external? Internal. Internal form factor. M.2 Type 2280. Interface, computer side. M.2 Type 2280. Capacity, tested. 1 terabyte. NAND type. MLC. Controller maker. Samsung. Bus type. PCI Express 3.0x4. NVMe support. Rated maximum sequential read. 3,500 megabytes per second. Rated maximum sequential write. 3,000 megabytes per second. Terabytes written, TBW, rating. 600 TBW. Warranty length. 5 years.